So we have a look at this equation to understand why it's described as a redox. What I'm going to do first of all is pick the cadmium. So we're going to deal with this first. So the cadmium is Cd2+, that's an ion, and it's got to form Cd with no charge. So how do we get a positive ion to form a metal with no charge? We've got to add 2 electrons. Now if you remember, gaining electrons is a reduction reaction. If you look at the zinc, so my zinc has gone from Zn with no charge and it's become Zn with a 2+ charge. So let's put that down here. So we've got Zn and it's formed Zn2+. So how do I get Zn to form Zn2+? To do that, to become positive, you have to lose electrons. So there's the electrons that have been lost. And because we're losing electrons, it is oxidation. So in order to get the marks into here, all we need to say here is that the cadmium ions are gaining electrons and being reduced. The zinc atoms, because that's no charge, the zinc atoms are losing electrons. So they are being oxidized, so they're being oxidized and being oxidized. And all we need to say then is that it is reduction because, it is redox, I should say. It is redox because reduction and oxidation are both happening. Okay, 1 mark for each of those. You can do it by the equations. So these equations are great. If you have to put those in, stick them in because they show who's gaining and who's losing electrons.